I'm about to show you one of the best AI video generators I've used and explain exactly how you can use it to create videos and turn them into an income stream. Whether you want to sell these videos, use them to grow your social media, or even start a freelancing business, I'll walk you through the entire process step by step. By the end of this, you'll know exactly how to generate AI videos, how to get the best results, and how to actually make money from them. I've linked all helpful tools and resources in the description, so remember to check those out. Step 1. Get set up with Heyluo. The first thing you need to do is access the right platform. The tool we're using is called Heyluo AI, which is an AI-powered video generator. If you try searching Heyluo AI by itself, you might not find the right site. Instead, go to Google and type Heyluo AI video generator. Click on this one and it will take you straight to the platform. Now, here's something to be aware of. Heyluo AI is a Chinese-developed platform, so when you first land on the site, parts of it might be in Chinese before redirecting you to the English version, but don't worry, it's super easy to work around this. If you're using Google Chrome, just right-click anywhere on the page and select Translate to English. If you're using another browser, you can install a Google Translate extension and it'll do the same thing. Even though some buttons might still have Chinese text, the AI itself understands English perfectly, so you won't have any issues with prompts or commands. Once you're on the site, the next step is to create an account. In the top right corner, you'll see an option to sign up or log in. Click on that and it'll ask for your email and a password. Just enter your details. Follow the steps to verify your email and you'll be in. Heyluo AI works on a credit-based system. When you create an account, you get 100 free credits per day. Each video costs 30 credits to generate, which means you can create 3 free videos every day without paying anything. If you want to generate more videos, you'll either have to wait for the next day to get more free credits or pay for extra credits. There are paid plans available, and if you're serious about using AI videos for business, upgrading can be worth it since it gives you faster generation times and removes watermarks. But for now, we're focusing on the free version, so you can start without spending a dime. Step 2. Create videos. Now that you have a Heyluo account, let's actually generate a video. On the homepage, you'll see a button that says Create. Click that, and it'll take you to the video generation page. Now click on Text to Video. This is where you type in a description of what you want the AI to create. When you're writing your prompt, be as specific as possible. For example, instead of typing a sunset, describe it in detail. A peaceful sunset over the ocean with soft waves and warm orange lighting. The more detail you give, the better the AI's results will be. If you just type a vague prompt, you'll probably get something random that doesn't match what you have in mind. You'll also see a setting called Enhance Prompt, where the pencil icon is. Keep this turned on. What this does is refine your description and add extra details to make the final video look more polished. If you turn it off, the AI will take your prompt more literally, which might not always give the best outcome. Once you've entered your description and adjusted your settings, click Generate. The AI will start processing your request, and after a few minutes, your video will be ready. Keep in mind that because this tool is popular, it can sometimes take longer to generate videos, especially during peak hours. If it's taking a while, just be patient and check back in a few minutes. While we're waiting for our video, let me explain these other features. You can also turn an image into a video by clicking on Image to Video, then uploading a picture. Then you can give instructions on how you want the image to be brought to life. This works best for background shots and animals. You can also upload a character image as a reference and give instructions on what you want it to do. Click on Subject Reference, then upload a picture of the character you want. Now the AI will use this as a base to generate the video. This is a great way to get more accurate results, especially if you have a specific style or look in mind. Step 3. Finalize your video. Once your video is done, you'll see a preview. Click on it to play it back and check if you like the results. If you're happy with it, you can download it to your device by clicking the download button. If you're using the free version, you'll notice a watermark on the video. If you don't want to pay for the premium version but still want to remove the watermark, there's a simple trick. You can use video editing software like CapCut or Adobe Premiere Pro to crop the video and cut out the watermark. Open the editing software, import your video, and use the crop tool to trim the edges. This won't always be perfect, but in many cases it makes the watermark way less noticeable. Step 4. Monetize. Now that you know how to generate AI videos, let's talk about how to actually make money with them. There are a few different ways to do this, but the easiest way to start is by offering AI video creation as a service. A lot of businesses and content creators need video content, but don't have the time or skills to make it themselves. That's where you come in. You can offer AI-generated videos on freelancing platforms like Fiverr and Upwork. Set up a gig that says something like, "I will create unique AI-generated videos for your brand or social media." Upload a few sample videos so potential clients can see what the AI is capable of and start taking orders. Since you're using AI, you can generate videos much faster than traditional video editors, which means you can take on more clients and complete orders quickly. Another way to make money with AI videos is by creating a theme page on Instagram or TikTok. For example, you could create AI-generated animations and post them daily, building up an audience over time. Once your page grows, you can monetize through brand deals, ad revenue, or selling digital products. AI-generated content is still relatively new, so this is a great time to jump in before the market gets oversaturated. If you want a more passive income approach, you can sell AI-generated videos as stock footage. Websites like Adobe Stock and Shutterstock let you upload videos for people to buy. If you create a lot of high-quality AI clips, like cinematic landscapes, abstract visuals, or looped animations, you can make consistent income from stock sales without having to do any extra work once the videos are uploaded. Whichever method you choose, the key to success is consistency. You're not going to make thousands of dollars overnight, but if you keep creating, posting, and promoting your work, you'll start to see results. AI video generation is a tool, not a magic button. The people who make real money from it are the ones who put in the effort to learn, experiment, and find creative ways to use it. If you're serious about making money with AI videos, start today. Sign up for Hailuo AI, experiment with different prompts, and start building your portfolio. The sooner you get started, the sooner you can take advantage of this opportunity. If you have any questions or want to get into even more specifics, click the link in the description to join our free school community. Inside YouTube Profit Academy, we share exclusive tips and updates on content creation, YouTube automation, affiliate marketing, running online businesses, and much more. It's completely free, so be sure to join using the link in the description, and I'll see you inside. How will you make money from AI videos? Let me know in the comments. And if you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more videos like this.